Let's do the th sound. Okay, let's practice together, class. Think. Again. Th. Think. Wow, I can hear your th. Better than yesterday. Three. Three. Okay, it's different from three. Okay? Say with me. Three. Okay. Thirsty. Th. Thirsty. I'm thirsty. Okay, so it's difficult when you blend with another word. Okay? Next. Birthday. Oh, very good. I can hear your th sound. Birthday. Something. Something. Oh, very good. Nothing. Nothing. Okay. You can practice later with your classmates, your friends. Bath. Bath. Okay, very good. Month. Month. Okay. Teeth. Teeth. Okay. Difficult? Huh? You will practice later. Next, let's go to the hard TH sound. So again, hard TH is voiced. Okay? Voiced sound. Put your tongue between your teeth, push air out, and use your vocal cords. Okay? Ready? Your throat should vibrate. You can feel it when you touch your neck. Okay? Ready? Say the, this, this. Oh, very good. I can hear the hard TH. That, that, that. Okay. They. Not they. They. Again, they. Okay, better. Mother. Mother. Okay. Not mother. The. Mother. Okay, very good. I can see your tongues. Father. Father. Okay. Another. Another. Okay, very good. Breathe. Long E sound. Breathe. Okay. Bathe. Bathe. Bath is the noun form of taking a bath. Okay? Bathe, to bathe is the verb. Okay? Do you understand the difference? Clothe. Clothe. Clothing. Clothing. Clothing is ing form. Okay? No more? Okay. Now it's time for you to practice with your